everyone, I'm Lauren with Western States Metal Roofing. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. And if you like this video, please give us a like. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important decisions that you'll have to make when you're getting a new metal roof, and that is who's going to do the installation. Why is it such an important question? Well, it's because most problems with metal roofs actually come from installation errors, not necessarily from the panels themselves. So who does your installation is super important. You want to make sure the person is licensed and experienced. We're going to go over all the questions that you need to ask when you have a roofing consultation to make sure you hire the right person the first time. Be sure to check out the link in the description. It's a consultation checklist of all the questions that we're going to go over today. This way you can print it out and have it with you at your next appointment. All right, now to the questions. The first question you should ask at your roofing consultation is, are you a licensed metal roofing contractor? Verify the company you hire has the appropriate licensing for your area. Confirm that the license is valid with no violations on it. If a contractor is licensed, then they are also bonded. A bond will protect you and ensure that the work is completed and done in a satisfactory manner. All right, the second question is, do you have insurance? And now you're looking for a professional that carries two different types of insurance: general liability and workers' compensation. Now, general liability covers any property damage, but workers' compensation covers a worker, so if they get hurt on your property, you're not the one liable. The third question you want to ask is, will you provide a written estimate? You want someone that will give you a detailed estimate in writing. Make sure you are provided with a detailed, comprehensive estimate of the job in writing. Have the contractor walk you through all parts of the estimate and ask any questions you have. If you're not comfortable with any answers you're given, consider interviewing another contractor to get a second opinion. Question 4. Are you experienced with installing metal roofs? Just because someone's a licensed roofer does not mean that they know how to install metal roof panels. Metal roof installations require a different set of skills and tools than working with other materials. The contractor you hire needs to have experience specifically installing metal roof panels. We recommend that your contractor have at least 3 years of metal installation experience. Be sure to ask for a list of past references. Question 5, will you remove my old roof? Some roofers might try to cut corners and just put your new roof over your old roof. You want the old roof removed prior to a new roof being installed. This will ensure that you don't have to deal with any problems from the old roof in the future. All right, the sixth question you need to ask is really important. Do you use roofing subcontractors? Oftentimes you'll find that contractors will subcontract out the work just so that it gets done. This can be a warning sign, as you don't know who is actually doing the work and what kind of quality job they do. If the roofing contractor does use subcontractors, make sure you're provided with their information, proof of insurance, and references. All right, question 7. Do you offer a warranty for your work? Now you're looking for two different types of warranties: a contractor's warranty and an original manufacturer's warranty. For the contractor's warranty, you want to know exactly what it covers and get it in writing. We recommend that a contractor's warranty cover panels, flashings, sealants, fasteners, and accessories against defective materials and workmanship to remain watertight and weatherproof with normal usage for 2 years following the project completion date. The original manufacturer's warranty will cover materials. Make sure you are provided with a copy of this warranty. Read the warranties carefully, as there may be stipulations that void the warranty, along with maintenance programs. All right, question 8. What projects have you done in my area? It's great to read online testimonials, but seeing somebody's completed work in person is even better. This can also help verify that the company you hire is indeed local and accessible. If there are any potential problems with your roof in the future, you want to use a local company so that they are able to come back to address the issues. Make sure you are provided with the company's local phone number and address. All right, question 9. How long will the installation take? You want to make sure your contractor gives you a clear timeline of how long the project will last. Ask about what happens if the work goes over the projected time. If this is for a commercial property, you'll want to know if your business can stay open during construction or if you'll need to close until the work is complete. If you will be open during construction, ask about the contractor's safety measures to ensure the area will not be hazardous for employees or customers. Question 10. Do you bring a container for refuse material? The company you hire should bring a container to place the refuse from the old roof as it comes down, so you don't have a big mess on your property. You should not have to supply the container yourself, And you also shouldn't have to handle disposing of any material. This should be a part of the written quote. Make sure that all aspects of the job's cleanup are listed in the quote as well. All right, we made it to the final question. Question 11. What are your job closeout procedures? Your contractor should agree to walk the project with you once it's completed, and this is your opportunity to check the work that's been done. You want to make sure it's done to your satisfaction, so if there's any concerns you have, now's the time to address them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to download our consultation guide. The link can be found in the description below.